In a commercial auto garage setting, the minimum height for live electrical parts operating at under 600 volts is 8 feet. This requirement is established to ensure the safety of personnel working in these environments, minimizing the risk of accidental contact with energized components. It is crucial for electrical installations in commercial garages to adhere to this standard. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides detailed guidelines for electrical safety, including specific requirements for the height of live parts in various occupancies. The NEC is a widely adopted standard for the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to incorporate new technologies and address evolving safety concerns. The NEC specifies the minimum height for live parts to prevent accidental contact, which can lead to electrical shock or other injuries. In the context of commercial auto garages, where there is a higher risk of physical activity and movement, maintaining adequate clearance for live electrical parts is particularly important. The 8-foot minimum height is intended to provide a buffer zone, reducing the likelihood of workers or equipment inadvertently coming into contact with energized conductors or components. This requirement applies to live parts such as exposed busbars, conductors, and terminals that operate at under 600 volts. It does not typically apply to enclosed equipment where the live parts are adequately protected. When designing and installing electrical systems in commercial auto garages, it is essential to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance with all relevant safety regulations. The NEC provides specific tables and guidelines for determining the appropriate height and clearance requirements for different types of electrical equipment and installations. Firstly, proper planning and design are crucial for ensuring electrical safety in commercial auto garages. Secondly, qualified electrical contractors should be involved in the installation and maintenance of electrical systems. Thirdly, regular inspections and testing should be conducted to identify and address any potential hazards. Fourthly, employees should be trained on electrical safety procedures and the proper use of electrical equipment. Fifthly, the use of appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves and footwear, can further reduce the risk of electrical shock. Sixthly, maintaining a clean and organized work environment can help prevent accidental contact with live electrical parts. Seventhly, clear signage and labeling should be used to identify potential electrical hazards. Eighthly, any damaged or defective electrical equipment should be promptly repaired or replaced. Ninthly, lockout/tagout procedures should be followed when working on electrical equipment to prevent accidental energization. Tenthly, emergency procedures should be in place to address electrical accidents and injuries. Compliance with the NEC and other applicable safety standards is essential for creating a safe working environment in commercial auto garages and minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. Understanding the specific requirements for the height of live parts is a critical aspect of electrical safety in these settings.